So today we are discussing about engine starter. How we are starting from very small engine like rescue boat to main engine. We will discuss how many ways and how we are starting the engine. So first one is the manual. Manual is we can do by two things: rope and hand lever. Hand lever is normally we seen how we start the generator on land also, and the rope one we have seen so many places. The old version of the tempos which we running, that started by rope. Same thing we are using on rope like rescue boat and emergency air compressor. Then we have hand lever, that also we can start live boat engine also by hand lever, and emergency air compressor where the emergency air compressor is driven by the small engine. So another is the battery. How we are, battery is just supplying the power to the DC motor, and DC motor is moving the engine by which we are starting the. So where we can find battery starting system, DC motor, emergency generator and live boat engine. Another we have spring starter. This is also used for the emergency generator. Here we have one spring and hand cranking medium where we are compressing the spring, restoring the kinetic energy, and then we have gear pinion method. As soon we disengage this release lever, and it gives the kinetic energy momentum to start the emergency generator. Hydraulic starter also having this one hydraulic pump, hydraulic storage unit where we compressing the hydraulic oil up to 150 bar, and also depends on the maker. This we also use in emergency generator. For all three starter and other starter, I will make separate video where I will explain full line diagram, control diagram, how it is working for this one. And then this I will explain the component of the spring air starter as well as hydraulic air starter. Then we have most widely used air starting system on board. So this is also we can divide in two parts, that is one is air motor and another is distributor type or electronic control. So air motor is, again we are supplying the air through control air, and it will rotate the air motor, and this engage the again pinion to the flywheel and starting the engine. This is emergency generator, auxiliary engine. Some small ships maybe you can find out main engine also, small ships. After air motor we use distribution system or electronic control. So this is mechanical type where we use negative cam. So for electronic system, angle encoder or angle sensor installed on forward and aft of the engine, and it gives the signal, and there is a software pre-planned at what angle which unit need to be air supplied, and accordingly it supplied signal to the start air control valve, and this will lead to open the start air valve. So it is giving the air on piston top. So this is, we have all starting medium on board.